Hey there, this is Stacy with WTI. If you're like me and into doing some home workouts, that doesn't mean that we have a ton of space to do it. What a great solution with this wall mount equipment rack from DOCMON. Now this rack is made of a nice sturdy steel, and what I really like about it is I have seen others that they were just really big, but I wanted something that would just take up a little bit of wall space on my wall. It was super easy to put together and easy to mount onto the wall. We used a stud finder to make sure that it would be nice and sturdy and safe. I have this rack completely full and it's still super sturdy, and it has extra space at the bottom where you can add some bands or elastics. And the floating shelf up top is also really cool, so I just put my extra weights on there just to keep them out of my way. Making some room in the area is just really nice, and I love the size of this rack. It's a perfect size, exactly what I had in mind when I was thinking about getting the mats and equipment off the floor and out of my way. Great solution from DOCMON, but that's just my point of view.